Hi everybody! So today I am in a little bit different setting. I am in a little bit a short vacation with my family, and I just filmed a very quick and cool workout with a booty band you can do. So basically it's gonna be around 10 minutes. It's legs, booty, abs, a little bit upper body as well. So it is with reps. You can do this with me, or you can also do this workout on your own for about 3 times and you'll definitely feel the burn. So it's really cool workout, and of course even if I'm on vacation I just have to do my workout. All right, so I hope you'll enjoy it. Let's see you on the mat. All right, so for the first exercise we're gonna need your booty band. Take it above your knees and we're gonna go into the side step squats for 10 reps, alternating the side. Let's go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's 10. Okay, so now we're gonna do alternating curtsey lunge into the side step for 20 reps. Let's go. So curtsey, side squat, curtsey, and side squat. Was 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and that's 20. You're gonna feel it in your legs. So now we're gonna do narrow lunges. This means that we're not going to go all the way back, but we are keeping like very short distance between your knees. Okay, 10 reps per leg, and we go like this, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the other side. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's 10. Now we're gonna go down, so we will need your mat, or I have a towel here. Don't have a mat. Okay, and we're gonna do the bridges. We're going all the way down, legs wider apart, and we're just gonna go to the bridge and into the abduction. So 1, you keep your power band a little bit around, keep it up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and that's 20. Okay, so now we're gonna extend the legs and we're gonna do the legs apart to toe touch abs. Okay, move a little bit. Okay, so it's core. There you go. So touch it down and legs abduction. 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, and that was 10. Okay, get up. You're gonna put your power band around your feet like that, and we're gonna do for 20 bicycles. Make sure that you always keep the tension on your power band. Okay, so alternating the side, 20 reps. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. Whew, you will definitely feel it in your abs. And now we're gonna go for a little bit of the push-ups. So I will also make a little bit cushion for my knees, and we're gonna go push up into the child's pose. All right, let's go. 10 reps, and you go all the way down and child pose. Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, we have 2 more exercises to go. We're gonna go into the side plank position, and then we're gonna just basically do the power band extension. So one arm is looped around the power band, and we're gonna go to the side. Okay, all right, so first you're gonna go down, then you're gonna grab it and you're gonna pull it towards you. 10 per side. Let's go. And pull it. 1, 2, you can just grab it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 10 more on the other side, and we are done for today. Okay, let's go. 10 more reps. Side abs. We go down, pull it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, and here we have, really sweating, about 10-minute workout. Oh, it's 8 minutes 45. So you repeat this 2 or 3 more times, or you can just do very fast 10-minute workout. All right, thank you for working out with me, and see you guys tomorrow. Regards from tropical Seychelles and amazing Silhouette Island.